Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a very important setting that concerns everyone. For those of you with an Android phone, whether it's Android 12, 13, or older, this problem is ubiquitous. Everything you type on the keyboard, all your voice commands, any text typed using the keys, is saved and stored in various folders. But in addition to this, these reports are also anonymously sent to the developers. Look at what I want to show you. Go to the standard settings. Here, find the option called Applications. Go to All Applications. And here you need to find this option called Speech Synthesis. Remember this icon. If we go here, our battery is primarily used. It can use up to 10 to 15% in a short period of time during the day. But the main problem is that the recording is actually happening. Go to the standard settings. Find the section called Advanced Settings. Find Special Features. Go to them, and at the top you will see various options for you, basic and some others. Go to the Vision option. Go to Speech Services. Pay attention, Speech Services. Tapping it takes you to a menu we don't need. Look for the arrow. You need to tap this arrow specifically. Tap it, and you'll be taken to another additional speech services menu, which we're talking about now. There's an option called Anonymous Service Reporting. By default, it's enabled on all phones and collects all the information you enter. Be sure to disable this feature, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend so they know how to turn it off too. Android phones are much better and make you feel more secure.